What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the One Pack Wonders YouTube channel. Today we're opening up our final pack from the Forces of Nature Premium Collection box. Alright, here's a code card. Still, we haven't gotten a single hit, so hopefully we'll have some last pack magic. We'll see. Oh, I see something interesting. First up, we have a Energy Retrieval, Blastoise Spirit Link, Switch, Growlithe, Machop, Voltorb, Diglett, Caterpie, a Reverse Hollow Grass Energy, and ooh, nice, a Mega Blastoise EX Fuller. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.